Welcome everybody back out here to Somerset Place. We are standing inside of the original kitchen within the owner's compound here, and for our artifact exhibition today, we're going to be talking about the chafing dish here, which is also known as a dish warmer. And we're not entirely sure if this is a period piece, although we do know it's made of tin, and we have other chafing dishes like this on display in the Collins home, which y'all can see on our guided tours. And so the enslaved cooks working within this kitchen here, like Grace Bennett and Lovey Harvey Cabarrus, were cooking lavish meals for the Collins family. And before they carried them over to the Collins home, they would heat up some water over the hearth behind me here, pour that into the base of the chafing dish, and then after they cooked the meals, they would just be placing the food inside of the dish here, covering it up, and that steam is going to keep the food warm before, during, and after the meal. And so they would be carrying this chafing dish across the yard over to the service porch, handing it inside the butler's pantry where the enslaved butler Luke Davis and other domestic enslaved persons would receive this dish, take out the food that was needed, and serve it in the dining room. And if any of the Collins family members or invited guests wanted seconds or more food, Luke could easily grab it here out of the chafing dish and it would be nice and warm. And so that's a little bit about the dish warmer that we have here. If you all have any questions, please comment below. Otherwise, we hope that you will join us out here for a guided tour to learn more about what life was like for Grace and Lovey and Luke and the other people who were living and working in the owner's compound here. We hope to see you guys out here real soon. Thank you.